Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send bulk mails in Gmail. So let's go open your browser and right here, Google Workspace Marketplace. Then open this tab. Then you'll find here a search bar. Just right here, mail meteor. Sorry, this one, mail meteor. Click on the first one, this mail meteor option, and right here install. Right here, sorry, tap here install. Tap this email address or your specific email address. Then scroll down and you'll find here allow. Click on allow. Your mail meteor is installed. Now what you're gonna do is you'll find here a Google Apps. Just click it and scroll down and you'll find here Sheets. Click on these Sheets and open a new blank sheet. Then you can see here this one. Just retype this like name, then email, then company. But I have already saved this, so I'm just pasting it here. Sorry, like this: name, email, company. Right here, just name anything and put here the right email address. Green right here, Smith, or any email address like this. Then you'll find your company. Under the company, right here, XYZ company, or your company name, ABC company, or any company you can add here. Now if you want to send all of this bulk mail, what you can do is you'll find here extensions, just click on this and you'll see here mail meteor. Then just click on this mail meteor, open mail meteor. Then you'll find here create new template, this blue option you can see here, right? Just click on this. Then right here, write your subject here. Then put here the company name like this, name, then all of the body of the message. You can double click and name anything. Alright, now just click on this company like XYZ. Then if you want to send this, just click on first save template. Now if you want to send, click on this send mail. Okay, your mail is sending here. Here's 3 mail, John Green Smith. So 3 mail is sending. If you have 1000 mails or 100 mails, it will be sent like this automatically with bulk mail, with mail meteor. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.